everyone, it's Beth here at Fullerton. Today, I will be your FullertonTool.com Sherpa as I guide you to your desired end mill destination. That's right, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use our end mill selection tool. Let's get started on the home page, and from here, we will select products in the navigation bar and then end mills. This leads us to our full end mill offering, where we have our series broken out by high performance and general purpose end mills. But what we are focusing on today is our end mill selection tool, which is located at the top of our page right where it asks, not sure what series to use? From here, select the materials you'll be machining in as well as your machining operation. Instantly, it filters down the end mills that are recommended for your machining operation and materials. From here, you can traverse further into the recommended series to see if it's exactly what you're looking for. Well, that's all for today. Have questions or ideas you'd like to share? Think of our chat button as your base camp, always there waiting for any possible questions or insights you might have. Have a great day and see you next time.